happy Wednesday to you. Here we have the last page in our packet. This is the packet that would say 415. Remember, it looked like that. And it says 415 over here because it's the 4th month, okay? And we're on the last page. It would be the page that has the panther on it. It's not the Valley Christian color panther, but nevertheless, it's a panther, okay? So the panther is on there, and it's our math paper. Put your name at the top, and the date is the 15th. So you can put 4/15/20, and you know how to do that. The first thing it says is use your ruler to draw some lines. They've told you that it needs to be 12 centimeters, so be sure that your ruler at school does have centimeters, but not all rulers do. So be sure yours does, okay? If it doesn't, there might be a ruler in your agenda. There is a ruler in there. It's not the best of rulers, but it does have centimeters on it. But maybe Mommy and Daddy can find a centimeter ruler for you. So you're going to draw me a line starting at the green and drawing me a line, straight line, that measures 12 centimeters. And then you're going to flip your ruler over and you're going to draw me a line starting at the blue mark. And you're going to draw that 4.5 inches. Okay? I'll let you do that on your own. Number 2, the Florida panther lives in the Everglades. It is the Florida state animal. Fill in the blanks to find out more about this animal. They want you to go ahead and add those numbers. 1,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 2 was the year the panther became Florida's state animal. So add those numbers up and you put it in the blank. Okay. Number 4. There are only about how many panthers in Florida? Okay, and they show you a little math problem right there. Can you, oops, I get, okay, right there, that little math problem. If you'll do that, that answer goes right here, okay? A panther can run how fast? Figure those Roman numerals out. That's how fast he can run per hour. And a female, that's a girl panther, usually weighs less than 10 times 10. How much is that? Okay. Then they want you to measure the panther and give me the answer. The answer goes right there, okay? If each inch equals 2 feet, how long is the Florida panther? So you take that number that was right, that you just wrote down, the number that's right there, multiply it times 2, and give me the answer right there. Okay, good. And flip your paper over. On the back, go ahead and give me all of the answers. And you can see that each answer has a letter in front of it. So the first answer is 6, or the first problem is 6 plus 8 equals 14, and 0 equals 14. Or it's not 0, it's an O, I'm sorry. So down here you find all of the 14s, and you put an O there, and you're going to spell some of these fancy words. And these are animals you would find in the Everglades National Park. And then it says color them. Now, if you don't have any time, you don't have to color them. But if you want to, you can color them. And you can always take a picture, and I'd love to see that. Okay? So all of the letters are going to be used down here. So there shouldn't be any misspellings because you're going to be a good mathematician. You're going to do these correctly so that you can know how to spell all of these words down here. And those are animals that you would find if you would get to go to Florida. And I don't know if you've ever been to Florida, but I know Cruz has, and I know Jacob has, but maybe lots of you have been to Florida. I've been there quite a few times myself. So anyway, enjoy that, and that will be fun. You'll just have a good time coloring and getting all that right. And then, of course, have Mommy give me the score when you get done. Okay, good.